Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the Redmi Note 8 Pro versus the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So is it a good upgrade to the Note 8 Pro or not? So in this video, we'll get to know friends, what are the specifications are actually best in the Note 9 Pro and what is the best in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So before starting the video friends, I'm going to announce a few things is that so recently my channel has crossed the 10,000 subscriber friends, and very soon our target is to reach 25k subscribers. And do subscribe to my channel friends for more interesting videos, and also do check the links in description friends for the playlist of other smartphones of which I reviewed in my channel. As you can see friends, plenty of videos are uploaded, more than 100 videos on each device friends. So it takes a lot of time and effort and a lot of hard work in making this kind of videos. So definitely do subscribe to my channel friends, and make the subscriber count to reach possible to 25k very soon friends. And even I created the Telegram group specially for Sai Tech Guru friends. You can check the links in description as well, so where I'll be posting all the images related to the smartphones friends. So definitely I'll be describing in the image as well, so all the above shots are taken using Honor 9X device, and same way I'll be doing for the other smartphones as well, Realme X2 and other phones. And another advantage is that even I'll be posting the APK files friends, so where you can download directly Android APK files into the application. Some paid applications as well I'll be posting friends in the Telegram group. So that is a one application, that is the best way to join in the Telegram group. So even I created the Instagram group account as well, so there I'll be posting all the shots which I have taken from the smartphones as well. So do check the links in description friends for that. And sorry for the long intro right now. So right now let me compare with the Redmi Note 8 Pro versus the Redmi Note 9 Pro friends. So in terms of the display, if you take a look, there is only change is that there's a punch hole friends in the Redmi Note and Note 9 Pro. So apart from that, there is no change at all. So both are having the same kind of screen and the same IPS LCD panels, and no 90Hz and no Super AMOLED. So that is another change. And when you take a look at the back side, so we'll get this kind of interface friends here. Even this as a quad camera setup. So the camera of the Redmi Note 9 Pro is got a little bit improved. So depending on the demonstration they gave on this live event in the Xiaomi, they concentrated more on the videography of the Redmi Note 9 Pro friends. So definitely if you're looking into some kind of photography and videography, then Note 9 can be a considerably upgrade model, I would say. So you can see this kind of new design that you get in this phone, and this is what I'm talking about friends, a punch hole display here, so which is present in the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So when you compare with the normal notch display here in the Redmi Note 8 Pro friends, so overall in terms of the punch hole versus notch, I'm pretty happy with the both. There's no problem at all with the both kind of cameras interface right now. And the only problem is that there is no 90Hz display in the Redmi Note 9 Pro friends, because most of the mobile phones are releasing with a 90Hz refresh rate, and definitely there should be a 90Hz refresh rate in the Redmi Note 9 Pro, but that is not the case. So we expected the number also Redmi Note 9, and 9 means 90Hz, so that kind of specs has been leaked before, but that's not the true at all. And this has a side mounted fingerprint friends, that is another upgrade I can say. So instead of having the back, side will be the best option in my opinion friends. So this is a good upgrade in terms of the fingerprint, there's no problem. It has got dedicated SIM slot friends, as you can see here. And next is that in terms of the processor, so here where the main thing varies is that in terms of the Snapdragon 720G processor and MediaTek Helio G90T processor, overall the Antutu score is same friends in both the phones, there is no change at all. So if, as you can see friends, clearly you get 2,85,000 score in the Redmi Note 8 Pro device, and same kind of score you will be getting in the Redmi Note 9 Pro as well friends, as you can see clearly Note 9, which has a 2,80,000 score. So if you consider side by side, I would say the Snapdragon 720G and MediaTek Helio G90T processor is kind of same, very close performance. So there is nothing difference friends, there is not a major difference at all in terms of the processor and in terms of the display. So these are the two areas which there should be a difference, but there is not at all difference. And let's take a look at cameras. So as I said, they concentrated more on the cameras friends. They got the new camera lens from the Samsung this time, not from the Sony. So 48 megapixel, and definitely in the future I'll be doing plenty of videos friends once I receive the phone. So this is a front cam which has a 16 megapixel when you compare with the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. And next area where it changes is that in terms of the battery, friends. The Redmi Note 8 Pro comes with a 4500 mAh of capacity and same kind of fast charging. And overall, friends, the Redmi Note 8 Pro this phone took about 2 hours to completely charge the battery, friends. So in my guess, I would say the Redmi Note 9 might take 2.5 hours, 2 to 2.5 hours to completely charge the battery if you are using 80 watts fast charging, friends. And these are the few communications like comparisons between the Redmi Note 8 Pro and 9 Pro. And the changes which we wanted is that having the 27 watt charger or 30 watt charger. And next is having the pop-up camera or camera. Even the punch hole is okay, no problem. But in terms of the camera, there should be another telescope lens should be included, but that's not the case. And even the processor should be a little bit upgraded, friends, from the 730G or 720G, but still it's lacking the same close to the Redmi Note 8 Pro. And major reason is in terms of the display, there is no 90 Hz. So this is overall comparison, friends, between both the phones. Now you can decide which phone to buy. And if you ask me personally, there's not so many reasons to buy this Note 9 Pro at the moment. If you want, you can wait. Otherwise, you can buy the alternative mobiles like Realme X and other smartphones. So do check the links in description, friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.